If you have a Winice or Caroma L1 electric scooter and are trying to figure out how to turn on the cruise control, stick around as I show you in this video. To get your electric scooter switched from cruise control off to cruise control on, you're going to need to press the power button 4 times. But first, as you can see, it does nothing just by pressing it. You need to apply and hold the brake and then press the power button 4 times. As you can see by the little indicator light, cruise control is now set to on. With the cruise control turned on, when you hold the throttle down at a set speed for so many seconds, the cruise control will automatically kick in, and then you can let go of the throttle and it'll stay going at the set speed. To turn off cruise control, just simply touch the throttle and it stops you. If you do not like cruise control feature on, apply and hold the brake and press the power button 4 times again. You're going to hear a beep and you're not going to see that little cruise control symbol flash on your screen. Well, thanks for joining me today. If you guys found this video informational and helpful and would like to see more short how-to videos like this one in the future, please let me know down in the comments. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.